Hi kiddos, you're going to need your word building notebook, or if your pages are full, just a plain piece of paper. Any kind of scrap will do. We are on list K5. Number 1, first word is pan. He used a pan to cook his sandwich. Pan. Number 2, thin. Thin. The duck wasn't eating enough and it was much too thin. Number 3, rink. We went skating in a rink. If I'm going too fast, just pause this because it's just a video or audio recording. Number 4, tank. He had a tank filled with fish. Tank. Number 5, think. I think you are an amazing first grader. Think. Number 6, his pen broke and ink spilled all over me. 6 is ink. Now the sentences. The first one, I think I like pink. I think I like pink. Sentence number 2, do you have to clean the tank? Do you have to clean the tank? Great job, kiddos. Great job. That was list K5. If you have to go back, pause the video. You can replay it. Do your very best job and have your grown-up check it.